Welcome to PGS College Mathematics video classes. Today I am going to discuss related to homogeneous linear differential equation problems. First, and formulas. Prove that 1 by f of d e power mx is equal to e power mx by f f into x power r divided by r factorial. Let f of m is equal to 0. Then d minus m is a factor of f of d. D minus m is a factor of f of d. Let f of d is equal to d minus m whole power r pi of d, where pi of m not equal to 0. Because f of m is 0 means we get d minus m is a factor of f of d. F of d is a polynomial of degree m. So that reason we get d minus m etc. all factor as common. A remaining term pi of d. So d minus m whole power r, we get these factors in terms of r times we get common factor. A remaining term is pi of d. If we take common factor, for example, here x squared minus 4x plus 3. So here we get x squared minus 3 x minus 3 x minus 1, we get like this. X squared minus 4x plus 3, this one is d minus m. This term we call it as a pi of d. Assume it as d minus m, remaining term we call it as pi of d. We get there are d minus m, r factor as common. So after common factor we get some term, the term we call it as pi of d. 1 by f of d e power mx, 1 by d minus m whole power r pi of d e power mx, e power mx. Next, replacing d by m, we get pi of m into e power mx. Replacing d by m, replacing d by m. So pi of m e power mx. Next, 1 by pi of mx e power mx, 1 by, and also here I am taking d minus m whole power r e power mx. Here we know that f of d e power mx into b, in this particular case e power mx f of d plus m into b. Here into 1 I am taking, this one is product of two function. The procedure is e power mx pi of m, replacing d by d plus m, replacing d by d plus m. Here d changes to d plus m. So here replacing d by d plus m minus r into 1. So here gets cancels, e power mx pi of m. So d power r into 1. So e power mx pi of m. Here, for example, I am taking, if you integrate one time, 1 by d stands for integration. If you integrate one times, integral of 1 is 1x. If you integrate 2 times, x squared by 2, 3 times x cube by 3. So x cube divided by 3 factorial. This one is equivalent to x cube by 3 factorial. This one is equivalent to x squared by 2 factorial. So if you integrate one time, we get x by 1 factorial, 2 times x squared by 2 factorial. If you integrate 3 times, x cube divided by 3 factorial. Here 1 by d stands for integration. If you integrate 1 odd time, we get x to the power r divided by r factor. X to the power r divided by r factor. Therefore, formula is 1 by f of d e power mx is equal to e power mx divided by pi of m x to the power r divided by r factorial. Because in this particular case, for example, I am taking like this, e power 1 minute, I am taking like this one. Here 1 factor is 0. If you are replacing d by 2, 1 factor is 0. I am taking, I will give example, x by 1 factor. For example, if it is whole square, so here 2 factor is 0, therefore x squared by 2 factor. If it is whole cube, here we are taking x cube divided by 3 factor, x cube divided by 3 factors. Here, if it is d minus 2 whole square, 1 by d minus 2 e power 2x, we get x by 1 factor. 1 by d minus 2 whole square e power 2x, x squared by 2 factor. Because d minus 2 whole square becomes 0 if you are replacing d by 2. So 2 factor becomes 0. 1 by d minus 2 whole cube into e power 2x. Here 3 factor becomes 0. So we are taking x cube divided by 3 factorial. This is the procedure. That's it. Plus 1 of y is equal to 12 cos 2x sin x. Solve d square plus 1 of y is equal to 12 cos 2x minus sin x. Here given equation d square plus 1 of y 12 cos 2x sin x. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 is equal to 0, m squared is equal to minus 1, m is equal to plus or minus root of minus 1, m is equal to plus or minus I. So yc c1 cos x, c2 sin x. Because plus or minus I beta rule is c1 cos beta, c2 sin beta. This is the rule for complex roots. Next to yp 1 by d square plus 1 12 cos 2x minus sin x. Here I am taking 12 into 1 by d square plus 1 cos 2x 1 by d square plus 1 sin x. So 12 replacing d squared by minus m squared means minus 2 squared means 4 plus 1. Here first term, in first term replacing d squared by minus m squared. So here m is 2, so we get minus 4. Next here, if replacing d squared by minus 1 squared means minus 1 plus 1, 0. Something by 0 is infinity, so particular integral doesn't exist of this part. So here I am using this formula 1 by d square plus a square sin ax is equal to minus x by 2a cos ax. So So a is equal to 1. So here x divided by 2 into 1 cos x. So here we get so here minus 3. 12 divided by minus 3 means minus 4 cos 2x minus 1 by 2x cos x. Replacing d squared by minus 2 square. So minus 4 plus 1 means minus 3. 12 divided by minus 3 means minus 4 into cos 2x. This one is yp. So complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So c1 cos x, c2 sin x, minus 4 cos 2x, 1 by 2 x cos x. So this is the required solution of the given problem. That's all. d cube minus 3d square 90 minus 27 of y is equal to cos 3x. So auxiliary equation m cube 3m square 9m minus 27 is equal to 0. From these two terms, if you take m squared as common, m minus 3, here if you take 9 as common, we get m minus 3. Again from these two terms, if you take m minus 3 as common, we get m squared plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, here this implies m is equal to 3 and m is equal to plus or minus 3. Because m squared plus 9 0 means m squared is equal to minus 9. So m is equal to plus or minus 3. Therefore, yc c1 e power 3x. I am taking first real root. c1 e power m1x. m1 means 3. Next, this one is complex root. c2 cos 3x, c3 sin 3x. We know that formula. In case of plus or minus I beta, rule is c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Next, yp 1 by d squared plus 9 into d minus 3 cos 3x. I am considering this part. So yp d squared plus 9 into d minus 3, I am multiplying divided by d plus 3. Multiply and divide by d plus 3. Because the reason, if you multiply and divide by d plus 3, here we get d square, here we get d square. Because in case of trigonometric function sin mx or cos mx, usually rule is replacing d squared by minus m square. But here there is no d square term in this factor. So if you multiply and divide by d plus 3, we get here d square term. So that's the reason I am taking a d yp d plus 3 d plus 9 d squared minus 9 cos 3x. But here we get d square term. Next procedure, we know that d plus 3 d square plus 9. In case of trigonometric function, rule is replacing d squared by minus m squared. So m value is what? M is 3. Here m value is 3. So here we get minus 9 cos 3x. So yp minus 1 by 18 into 1 by d square plus 9. Next, here multiply this one. d of cos 3x, derivative of cos 3x is minus 3 sin 3x plus 3 cos 3x. d of cos 3x means minus 3 sin 3x, 3 cos 3x. So yp, multiply each term by this factor. 3 1s are 6 So you get d squared plus 9 sin 3x. Next minus 3 divided by minus 3 divided by 18 means minus 1 by 6. So 1 by d square plus 9 cos 3x. So yp 1 by 6. Here if you are replacing d squared by minus 3 squared, denominator becomes 0, here also 0 in both cases. So here I am using formula 1 by d square plus a square sin ax. Formula is minus x by 2a cos ax. So d square plus a square cos ax is equal to x by 2a sin ax. I am here a is equal to 3. I am using 1 by d square plus a square sin x and 1 by d square plus a square cos x. I am using these two formulas because if you are replacing d squared by minus 3 square, denominator becomes 0. So particular integral does not exist. So here minus x by 2 into 3 cos 3x, 1 by 6 x by 2 into 3 sin 3x. Here sin, if it is sin, here we get in result cos, if it is cos, here we get sin. So here yp is equal to minus 1 by 36. So here we get cos 3x plus sin 3x. Therefore complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So yc is nothing but c1 e power 3x, c2 cos 3x, c3 sin 3x, x divided by 36 cos 3x sin 3x. So this is the required solution of the given problem. Solve. D squared minus 6d plus 9 of y is equal to e power 2x x squared plus 7x plus 5. Here given equation can be written as d minus 3 whole squared of y e power 2x x squared 7x plus 5. Auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m minus 3 whole squared is equal to 0. So m is equal to 3 3. So roots are repeated twice. So two real roots are repeated twice. So yc formula c1 c2 x e power mx means 3x. In case of two repeated roots, procedure is c1 plus c2 of x into e power mx. M is nothing but 3. Next to yp 1 by d minus 3 whole square e power 2x x squared 7x plus 5. Here product of two function. In case of product of two function rule, if there is a function exponential some other function, exponential into some other algebraic function, otherwise any other trigonometric function sin or cos. So in all cases procedure is first step replacing d by d plus m. So yp 1 by, so here we get sorry, here this one is 3 e power 3x, this becomes e power 3x. So if we take 3x, d plus 3 minus 3 whole square should be 3x x squared plus 7x plus 5. So 3 3 gets cancels. So yp is equal to 1 by d into 1 by d x squared plus 7x plus 5. This problem should be e power 3x. Next here we get d squared. D squared can be written as 1 by d squared can be written as 1 by d into 1 by d. So yp 1 by d into what's the integral of this one? X cube by 3 7x squared by 2 5x. Again integrate 1 by 3 into x to the power of 4 by 4. Integral of x squared is x cube by 3. So 5x squared by 2. So yp is equal to x to the power of 4 by 12, 7x cube divided by 6, 5x squared by 2. Therefore, complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So yc is nothing but c1 c2x e power 3x, x to the power 4 divided by 12, 7x cube divided by 6, 5x squared by 2. This is the required solution of the given problem. That's all. Solve d square plus 3d plus 2 of y is equal to e power 2x sin 2x. Auxiliary equation m square 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. M square 3m can written as 2m plus m, 2m plus m plus 2. So from these two terms, if we take m as common, so here we get, if we take 1 as common, we get m plus 2. Again from these two terms, if we take m plus 2 as common, we get m plus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to minus 2 minus 1. So yc. So these two are non-repeated linear, non-repeated real roots. Therefore, c1 e power minus 2x, c2 e power minus x. m1 is minus 2, m2 is minus 1. So c1 e power minus 2x, c2 e power x. Next to yp, d square plus 2d plus 3d. So e power 2x sin x. So yp is equal to, here this one is product of two function. In case of product of two function, in first step procedure is replacing d by d plus m. Replacing d by d plus m. M is equal to 2, so d plus 2. So d plus 2 whole square, 3 of d plus 2 plus 2 e power 2x into, here this one I am shifting, after replacement I am shifting this side. Yp, expand this one, a square b square 2ab next to 3d plus 6 plus 2 sin x e power 2x. Now yp e power 2x into, simplify this one d square, 2ab means 4d, b square 4. So here we get 3d 6 plus 2. So simplify this one, d square 7d 12 sin x. Here there is a term d square, so replacing d squared by minus 1 squared. Minus 1 squared means 1, because m value 1. So here yp e power 2x 70 plus 11, 70 plus 11, 12 minus 1, 11. In case of trigonometry function, rule is replacing d squared by minus m square. Here there is no d square term in denominator. So multiply and divide by 70 minus 11 sin x. Multiply and divide by 70 minus 11. Because if we multiply and divide by 70 minus 11, we get d square term in denominator. So e power 2x 49, 70 minus 11, 49 minus 49, d square minus 121 sin x. Here we get d square term. Procedure is replacing d squared by minus 1 squared means minus 1. So here we get e power 2x 70 minus 11 49 into minus 1 minus 121 into sin x. So here we get minus 170 e power 2x 7 into derivative of sin x is cos x 11 sin x. 7 into derivative of sin x is cos x 11 sin x. yp. Complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Next, here yc we know that c1 e power minus 2x, c2 e power minus x. Next, minus 1 by 70 e power 2x, 7 cos x, 11 sin x. So, this is the required solution of the given problem. That's all. Square plus 4 of y is equal to sin squared x. Auxiliary equation m squared plus 4 is equal to 0, m squared is equal to minus 4, m is equal to plus or minus 2y. We know that in case of complex numbers, if it is plus or minus I beta, rule is c1 cos beta x, c2 sin beta x. Therefore, yc c1 cos 2 beta, c2 2x, beta is nothing but 2, yc. Next, yp d square plus 4 sin squared x. So, yp d square plus 4, here there is a square term. In case of square term sin squared x, there is no formula, particular integral formula to solve this one. That's why instead of sin squared x, I am taking 1 minus cos 2x by 2. There is a formula, sin squared x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. This one is familiar formula, we know that. So, yp is equal to multiply is 1 by 2 d square plus 4 e power 0 x 1 by 2, otherwise if we take half common 0x d square plus 4 cos 2x. I am taking half as common, instead of 1 I am taking 0x. So, here 1 by 2 0 plus 4 into 1. Next, if you are replacing d squared by minus 2 squared means minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled. So, something by 0 is infinity. So, particular integral does not exist in this particular case, in this particular part. So, I am using d square plus a square cos ax is nothing but x divided by 2a sin ax. So, a is nothing but 2. So, x divided by 2 into 2 sin 2x. So, here we get 1 by 8 x by 8 sin 2x. So, yp. Therefore, complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So, c1 cos 2x, c2 sin 2x plus 1 by 8 x by 8 sin 2x. This is the required solution of the given problem. That's all. Solve d squared minus 20 plus 16 of y is equal to e power 4x sin 2x. Auxiliary equation m square 10m plus 16 is equal to 0. M square 10m can be written as 8m minus 2m plus 16 is equal to 0. 10m can be written as minus 8m minus 2m plus 16. Here from these two terms, if we take m as common, m minus 8, here also m minus 8. Again from these two terms, if we take m minus 8 as common, we get m minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies m is equal to 2 and 8. So, these two are non-repeated real roots. Therefore, procedure is yc c1 2x c2 8x. c1 m1x rule, c2 m2 x, m1 is to m2 8. Next yp d square 10t plus 16 e power 4x sin 2x. This one is product of two function. So, in case of product of two function, rule is replacing d by d plus 4, replacing d by d plus 4. So, m is equal to 4, procedure is replacing d by d plus m is d plus 4. Next, here yp e power 4x, expand this one, d square 8d plus 16, a square 2ab, 2d into 4, 8d 16 minus 10d minus 40 plus 16 sin 2x. So, yp e power 4x d square, so 80 minus 10d 2d minus 8 sin 2x, because 32 minus 16 32 plus 32 minus 40 means minus 8. E power 4x, so minus 4 2d minus 8 sin 2x. Here replacing d squared by minus m squared. So, m value is 2. So, here m value is 2, minus m squared means minus 4. So, here e power 4x minus 2d minus 12 sin 2x, e power 4x, if we take minus 2, we get d plus 6. Here sin 2x, in case of trigonometric function, procedure is replacing d squared by minus m squared. So, here there is no d squared term. So, that is reason multiply and divide by d minus x. I am multiplying and divide by d minus x. So, here multiply and divide by d minus 6. So, here e power 4x minus 1 by 2, this one, d minus 6, d squared minus 36 sin 2x. So, here minus 1 by 2 e power 4x d minus 6, again replacing d squared by minus 2 squared, minus 4 minus 36 sin 2x. Replacing procedure is replacing d squared by minus 2 squared. So, here we get minus 1 by 2 e power 4x, here we get 40 into 2 80, 1 by 80. What is the derivative of sin 2x? 2 cos 2x minus 6 sin 2x. This one is yp. So, complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Yc c1 e power 2x, c2 e power 8x. Next, plus 1 by 8 yp 4x, 2 cos 2x, 6 sin 2x. So, this is the required solution of the given problem. That is all. solve d cube minus d squared minus d plus 1 of y is equal to e power x of 1 plus sin x. So, auxiliary equation is m cube m square minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. Auxiliary equation means the equation obtained by replacing d by m is called auxiliary equation. So, m square m minus 1 again from this two term m minus 1 m squared minus 1. So, here this implies m is equal to 1 1 minus 1. So, here y is a complementary function. Here there are three real roots. Out of 3, 2 are repeated. So, here C1, C2, x e power x, these 2 are repeated. If two real roots are repeated, procedure is C1 plus C2x of e power mx. M is nothing but 1. Next to this one C3 minus x. Next to yp. So, this can be done as d minus 1 d squared minus 1 e power x 1 plus sin x. So, here this one is equivalent to d minus 1 d squared minus 1 can be done as d minus 1 d minus 1 d plus 1. So, d minus 1 whole square into d plus 1. So, d minus 1 into d squared minus 1 can be written as d minus 1 whole square into d plus 1. So, here in this particular case d minus 1 whole square d plus 1 e power x d minus 1 whole square d plus 1 e power x sin x. So, yp replacing d by m 1 by 2 I am taking replacing d by 1 2 here 2 factor is 0. So, here we get x squared by 2 factorial into e power x because 2 factor is 0. Replacing d by 1 d minus 1 whole square 2 factor becomes 0. So, x squared by 2 factorial. Next in this particular case 1 by a product of two function here. In this particular case here d minus 1 whole square e power x replacing d by d plus 1 in second part in second term d plus 1 whole square d plus 1 means d plus 2 e power x sin x. In first part here in first part I am taking in first term here 2 factor is 0, therefore x square divided by 2 factorial. So, yp 1 by 4 x square e power x 1 by d square so here minus 1 d plus 2 sin x. Replacing d squared by minus 1 squared means minus 1. M is equal to 1. So here yp 1 by 4x squared e power x minus e power x minus into e power x. Here trigonometric function sin x. In case of sin x, we know that rule, replacing d squared by minus m squared. Here there is no d squared term, so multiply and divide by d minus 2. Multiply and divide by d minus 2. yp 1 by 4 x squared e power 3x e power x d minus 2 d squared minus 4 sin x. 1 by 4 x squared e power x d minus 2 minus 1 minus 4 sin x. Here rule is replacing d squared by minus 1 squared because m value 1 minus 1. Next 1 by 4 x squared e power x minus into minus plus minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 minus into minus plus 1 by 5. This one. What is the derivative of sin x? D of sin x means cos x to sin x. So this one is yp. Therefore complete solution is yc plus yp. So yc is what? c1 c2x e power x c3 e power minus x 1 by 4 x squared e power x 1 by 5 e power x cos x minus 2 sin x. This is the solution, required solution of the given problem. Next to solve. Auxiliary equation is so m square 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. M square 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. So instead of this one, m plus 1 whole square minus 1, m plus 1 plus I minus root of minus 1. So minus 1 plus I minus I. So here yc c1 e power minus x c1 cos x c2 sin x yp d square 2d plus 2 e power x cos x. Next here yp replacing d by d plus m into cos x. Procedure is replacing d by d plus m. So m value 1. Expand this one. D square 2d plus 1 2d plus 2 cos x. So d square 4d plus 5 cos x. yp procedure is replacing d squared by minus 1 squared. So minus 1 4d plus 5 cos x. Here procedure is replacing d squared by minus m squared. Minus m squared means minus 1. Minus m means 1. So replacing this one yp e power x 4t plus 4 into cos x. So yp e power x, if we take 4x common, d plus 1, so multiply and divide by d minus 1 into cos x, because the reason here multiply and divide by d minus 1, because here there is no d square term in denominator. In case of trigonometric function cos x or sin x, rule is replacing d squared by minus m squared. Here there is no d square term, so that's reason I am multiplying and divide by d minus 1. If we multiply and divide by d minus 1, we get d square minus 1 cos x. So here procedure is e power x divided by 4 d minus 1, replacing d squared by minus 1 square. So we get minus 1 cos x. So replacing d squared by minus 1 squared means minus 1. So yp minus 1 by 8 e power x. What's the derivative of cos x? Cos x is minus sin x into cos x. So complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So y is equal to yc e power minus c1 cos x c2 sin x minus 1 by 8 e power x minus sin x minus cos x. This is the required solution of the given problem. Thank you for all students.